Hi guys, what I'm going to show you in this video is how to enter bids into the Slim Owner Bids page that we'll be using for the simulated Slim Box Score season. So let's get started. When you log in, you're going to arrive at the Slim Owner Bids page that you'll be using to enter your bids. Like the original Owner Bids page, to add a player or to select a player to bid on, you click the Add Row button. Now what you'll notice that's different with the Slim Owner Bids is that you no longer have to type in the player that you're bidding on. You click on the field, you click on that row in that particular cell, and you'll notice that a list of values will pop up. There'll be the first couple dozen players in the OOTP list of players. Instead of having to, as you'll notice, there's a load more rows. Instead of having to load all the rows or load enough rows to get to the player you want, type in the player's name. You don't have to type in the full name. For this particular example, I'm going to bid on Jose Alvarado. So I'll just type in his first name, and you'll see all the players that have Jose in their names will appear. What's also different is you no longer have to select the team for the player that you're bidding on. That will automatically be populated. As with the player bid, you no longer have to type in the player that you want to release. Just click on the field, and there's a little arrow there. When you click on that arrow, you'll see the list of all your players in your major and minor league roster. So for this particular example, I'll go ahead and bid on a player in my minor league roster. When you select him, you'll notice that the bid type will automatically be populated. I'll go ahead, type in a bid, and then once I'm done with that row, I want to save it. Let's go ahead and add another player to bid on. This time I'll search for Johnny Cueto. I'll just type in John, and you'll see that near the bottom of this screen for this list, you'll see Johnny Cueto. Again, the team that he plays on will be populated under the team column. Click on the player released. Go ahead and bid on a major league player, and I'll enter that amount in, save it, and that's all there is to it. Now, there's one glitch in this particular screen. I'm working to find out how to resolve that particular glitch, but I have a workaround. So let me demonstrate what series of actions would cause this glitch to occur. Let me go ahead and delete those. So this particular glitch will manifest itself when you try to add multiple rows without saving each row at a time. So let me go ahead and replicate what I did. We'll add those same bids. Notice here, when I go to that second line, I'm not saving the first. This is what's going to happen when I hit the save button. You're going to see in the upper right hand corner, I get this error message. Now if you inadvertently add a couple of rows without saving each row at a time, here's how to get around that glitch. Go in there and delete those two rows, and then just simply add each of those players. Now in this particular example, for the sake of brevity, I'll just grab a random player. And instead of hitting add row, I want to first save that bid. There you can see everything works just fine at that point. If you have any questions, please call me or send me an email and I'll try to get back to you as quickly as I can.